Today we're gonna start our lesson by chapter 5 lesson 3, and our lesson today is about parameter and the area. So today we're gonna learn how to combine two shapes together and find the parameter and the area of the result shape. That means I have two shapes. I'm gonna put these two shapes together, and after I put these two shapes together, I'm gonna have a new shape. Then I'm gonna get the area and the parameter for the new shape. Let's see. Here I have this rectangle, so the length here 4 and the width 3. So if you want to get the parameter, it will be length plus width times 2. So 4 plus 3 times 2, that means 7 times 2 equal 14. If you want to get the area, I'm gonna make 4 times 3, length times width. So 4 times 3 equal 12 square centimeter. And the yellow rectangle here, the length is 7 and the width is 3. So if you want to get the parameter, it will be length plus width times 2. So 7 plus 3 times 2, 10 times 2 equal 20. And if you want to get the area, it will be 7 times 3. It will be 21 square centimeter. So now I'll have to put these two rectangle, the purple and the yellow one, together. Now I have a new shape, the purple and the yellow one. So here 4, so the opposite it will be 4, and here 7, so the opposite it will be also 7 centimeter. If you want to get the parameter, it will be this 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 3 plus 7 plus 4. So it will be 28. And what about this side, the inner side here? If you want to get the parameter, okay, you're gonna get the parameter of the outside here, around the shape, not inside the shape. So don't get this side. Or if you want to get the parameter in another way, I have here the width is 3 and the new length it will be all of this one. I'm gonna use the highlighter to show you. So here the width is 3 and the new length it will be this 4 for purple and the 7 for yellow. So all of this length and new length it will be 4 and 7, it will be 11. So the parameter it will be 3 length plus width times 2. So 3 plus 11 times 2, so 14 times 2 equal 28 centimeter. And the area it will be, here the area for the purple it will be 12, and here the area of the yellow it will be 21. So it will be 12 plus 21, it will be 33. Or I can get the area in another way. I can make it length times width. So it will be here the width is 3 and the length is 11. So 3 times 11 equal 33. Here when I get the parameter and area of each of the following figures, then lay the figures side by side and calculate the parameter and area of new shape. So here I have a square. So the side length is 4. So the parameter it will be side times 4. So 4 times 4 equal 16. And here the area it will be side times side. So 4 times 4 equal also 16 square centimeter. Here the rectangle, the parameter it will be length plus width times 2, 6 plus 2 times 2, it will be 12 times 2, 24. And the area it will be length times width. So 6 times 2 equal 12. Let's put the two shapes beside each other together. So here all of this length of a square is 4, and the length here for rectangle is 2. So I'm gonna draw it here on the half of the length of a square, and now I should get all the sides. This side here 4, so the opposite side here it will be also 4, and all of this side it will be 2. So the rest here it will be 2, and this one it will be 4, and here this side is 6, so the opposite it will be also 6. Now I can get the parameter. It will be 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6 and 4, it will be 10. So the parameter it will be 28 without get the inner side. And the area, it will be here, the area for the square is 16, and here the area of this rectangle is 12. So I'm gonna make it these two areas plus 16 plus 12 equal 28. Here I have Jana draw a rectangle with a length of 7 cm and width 4, and Mona draw a rectangle with length 5 and width 4. Sketch Jana and Mona rectangles. So first of all, I'm gonna draw the rectangle for Jana. So the length 7 and width 4. Let's draw rectangle with length 7 and width 4. And the rectangle for Mona, the length is 5 and the width is 4. What is the parameter of Jana's rectangle? So it will be length plus width times 2. So 7 plus 4 times 2. So 11 times 2 equal 22. Here the parameter of Mona's rectangle, it will be length plus width times 2, 5 plus 4 times 2. Now what would be the parameter if they laid their rectangle side by side to make one long rectangle? Let's put these two rectangles for Jana and Mona together to get a new big rectangle. So the rectangle for Jana besides the rectangle for Mona, now I get a new big rectangle. So if I want to get the parameter, so the parameter it will be length plus width times 2. So here the length, the new length, it will be 7 and 5 together, so 7 and 5 it will be 12. So 12 plus the width here is 4 times 2, so 16 times 2. How can I make 16 times 2? I have two group of 16, so let's make a decompose for 16. It will be 10 and 6. So I'm gonna distribute these two. So 2 it will be times 6 plus 10. Let's distribute these 2 to be a friend with 10, 2 times 10, and 2 to be friend with 6, 2 times 6. So 2 times 10 equal 20, and 2 times 6 equal 12, so it will be 32. What is the area of the new long rectangle? So the area it will be length times width. So the length here, the new length, it's 12 and the width 4, so 12 times 4 equal 48. Now let's draw a rectangle with parameter of 12 centimeter. Triangle. Triangle means 3 sides. So I'm gonna make this 12 divided 3. So each side it will be 4 centimeter. That means I'm gonna draw a triangle with side length 4. Okay, and I can choose 3 numbers. The sum of these 3 numbers equal 12. It will be different. Yes, why not to be different sides? Let's choose number like 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 equal 8. So the third side it will be how many to reach 12? I have 8. I need how many to reach 12? Excellent, 4. So the third one it will be 4. Now let's draw. Here I'm gonna draw a triangle with side length 4 centimeter. And here I'm gonna draw triangle with side lengths 3 and 5 and 4. So you can notice here Junior 3, this triangle is not the same as this triangle. Here it's different sides like 3, 5, 4, and here it is the same sides 4, 4 and 4. So I can draw two triangles with the same sides or different sides. Now we're gonna draw a hexagon with parameter of 18 centimeter. So hexagon, hex means 6, so that means we have 6 sides, okay, 18 divided 6, so each side it will be 3 centimeter. Okay, I'm gonna draw a hexagon with side length 3, and I can make a hexagon with a different sides. So if I choose 2 and 3 and 4, so 2 and 3 equal 5, 5 and 4 equal 9. So I'm gonna put another side like 4 and 2 and 4 and 3. Now it will be the sum of 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 4 and 3. It will be 18. So let's draw a hexagon with side length 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 centimeter and 4 and 3. Now I draw 2 hexagon. Here this one with the same sides, but here with here in this question Junior 3, I should get the perimeter of this shape and find the missing length here to get the same perimeter. So let's get the perimeter of the first shape here. It's a square, so the perimeter of a square, it will be side times 4. So it will be 3 times 4 equal 12. So this triangle, it should be also have the same perimeter as 12. So the perimeter is 12. I have here, this side is 4 and the other side is... So what is the missing number here? What is the missing side? I have 4 plus 4. So 4 plus 4 equal 8. So 8, I want to 12. So if you count after 8 to reach 12, so it will be 4. So the missing side here, it will be 4 centimeter. Here let's get the perimeter of this shape. I'm gonna make all sides are plus. So 8 plus 5 plus 4 plus 7, it will be 24. So here this perimeter of the square, it should be also 24. So the perimeter of a square equals side times 4 equal 24. So the side length, it will be 24, the perimeter divided 4. So the perimeter here is 24. So I'm gonna make it 24 divided 4, it will be 6. That means each side it will be 6. So each side length of the square, it will be 6 centimeter. Now Junior 3, we've finished our session for today. See you in the next one.